How to draw a cartoon mosquito. Use a pencil to draw with, so you can erase lines later to clean up your picture. Follow along drawing the lines crossing over existing lines when needed. It makes it so much easier. I will place yellow X's on the lines to be erased after the picture is all drawn. Now erase the lines showing the yellow X's on them that crossed over other lines. Your picture should now appear similar to this. Your drawing tells me you are truly a master artist.